Hello, are you interested in signing up for a verified Skrill account here in Africa, basically here in Uganda? We are here to help you out. Just reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. We do set up verified Skrill accounts. As you can see, this account it is currently operating and we are using it here in Uganda. With the account, you'll be able to send money, you'll be able to receive and also withdraw. As you can see the recent activities of this account. As you can see the account, it has the home page where you can monitor everything. It has the add money section if you are depositing or you are creating your school account, whereby you can either credit in Kenyan shillings, you can credit in different currencies, USD, all currencies. Meaning, if you're here in Uganda and you want to deposit money in your school account, you just need to choose the USD and put in the amount that you want to send. For example, I want to deposit $50. I just need to put in $50, then drop down and select a mode of payment that I want to use to deposit money, of which I can use a credit card or a debit card. I just need to click on pay with credit or debit card. Then I link on my card details and click on add card. Then I'll have deposited money in my Skrill account. Also, when I receive money through my Skrill account, I'm also able to withdraw where I can use a mobile wallet. It has a fee of 1.45%, minimum of 0.55 USD, maximum of 3.91, and withdrawals are instant. I can also withdraw money using bank, whereby they charge a 5.97 USD. You receive money up to 5 business days. Or you can use a credit or a debit card, fee of 7.5%, minimum of 3.8 USD. Or you can use Netella. You can also transfer payments, meaning if I'm transferring money from one Skrill account to another, I use the first option. Or if I'm sending money to another Skrill account, I just need to click on the first option. I put the email I'm sending to, then the amount, then I send money to that person. You can also exchange currencies. A lot of features are within the account, but all that I wanted to tell you that if you're interested in getting a fully set and verified Skrill account, wherever you are, we can help you sign up for that account. As you can see, I was able to deposit money in my Skrill account. Then I was also able to send that payment to another person using my Skrill account, meaning the account is fully set and verified. For those interested, just reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. We not only set up Skrill accounts, but we also set up PayPal accounts, Stripe, Wise, Pioneer, Venmo, Cash App. For any payment gateway that you are interested in, just reach out. Thank you much for watching.